Why the paranormal eludes scientific proof. The paranormal, by its very nature, resides at the fringes of our understanding of reality. From ghostly apparitions to poltergeist activity, from near-death experiences to UFO sightings, humanity has long grappled with phenomena that defy scientific explanation. Despite centuries of anecdotes and investigations, the paranormal remains elusive to the scientific method, leaving believers and skeptics locked in an eternal debate. Why does the paranormal evade scientific proof? The answer lies in the unique characteristics of both the phenomena and the tools we use to study them. The nature of the paranormal. Subjectivity of experiences. Paranormal experiences are often deeply personal, subjective, and fleeting. Apparitions might appear to a single witness. Poltergeist phenomena might occur only when specific individuals are present, and UFO encounters often leave behind little tangible evidence. These experiences are rarely repeatable under controlled conditions, a cornerstone of scientific validation. Interactivity and consciousness. Many researchers and investigators propose that the paranormal interacts with human consciousness. Ghost sightings, for example, might depend on the emotional or psychological state of the witness. This intertwining of the observer and the observed introduces a layer of complexity that standard scientific methods are not well equipped to handle. Challenges to scientific investigation. Lack of repeatability. The scientific method relies on replication. An experiment must yield the same results under the same conditions to be deemed valid. Paranormal phenomena, however, are notoriously unpredictable. They do not occur on command and often vanish under the scrutiny of scientific observation. Measurement limitations. Science depends on measurable data. Instruments like electromagnetic field, EMF meters, thermal cameras, and audio recorders are frequently employed in paranormal investigations. However, skeptics argue that these devices only measure environmental anomalies, which may not conclusively indicate paranormal activity. The lack of a definitive paranormal meter hampers efforts to collect irrefutable evidence. The observer effect. The mere presence of investigators or scientific equipment can influence a phenomenon, akin to the observer effect in quantum physics. Many paranormal investigators report that activity diminishes or ceases entirely when under strict observation, complicating efforts to document events. The role of skepticism. Institutional bias. The scientific community often approaches the paranormal with skepticism, if not outright dismissal. This bias can discourage researchers from pursuing serious study of these phenomena, fearing damage to their reputations or careers. Demand for extraordinary evidence. Carl Sagan famously said, "Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence." While this principle is logical, it places a high burden of proof on phenomena that are inherently difficult to study. Bridging the gap. Interdisciplinary approaches. The paranormal might benefit from interdisciplinary study, combining psychology, physics, neuroscience, and even philosophy. Understanding how human perception and consciousness interact with potential paranormal phenomena could yield new insights. Advances in technology. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and advanced sensors may one day provide the tools needed to detect and study paranormal phenomena in ways currently unimaginable. Open-minded science. For meaningful progress, science must adopt an open-minded yet rigorous approach. Acknowledging the limitations of current methods and embracing creative new paradigms could unlock new avenues of understanding. Conclusion. The paranormal eludes scientific proof not because it is inherently unreal, but because it challenges the very foundations of how we understand reality. Its subjective, unpredictable, and interactive nature resists traditional scientific methods, leaving it in a gray area between belief and empirical evidence. By expanding our methodologies, embracing interdisciplinary study, and remaining open to new ideas, we might one day bring the mysteries of the paranormal into the light of scientific understanding. Until then, the paranormal will continue to captivate and confound, a tantalizing reminder of how much we have yet to learn about the universe and our place within it.